Got a little fan here. Alright, we just got to Watchman campground in Zion, getting the tent set up. Beautiful site, it's going to be warm. We're going to stay here a couple nights and then we're going to go backpacking for a couple nights. So just getting camp set. How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
Lenny? Ready for another year? Got your hat on. This is Mila. This is Maeve. She forgot her pillow.
Oh!
So she lost it somewhere.
And they said it wasn't as bad as everyone made it out to be, but the way down is sketchy, especially when you have
Morning. We're talking about potentially going up Angel's Landing.
Because we won the lottery?
Because we won the lottery. I won the lottery.
Is it a lottery?
So we've got the sun out. It was a little bit of a cool morning. Yeah.
Some of
the
our friends
lottery
gonna watch.
was Oh, there's the scenery in back of us. The beautiful valley.
Yeah.
Got a little friend here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look at So we may go up there. I think Lynn wants to lead the way.
No, I'm staying here.
Are you? Oh, this is where we are. Very crazy. And then possibly up there. But the whole view is crazy.
Even up here is insane.
Oh, it's nuts, yeah. All right, we started the climb. This is insane. There's the girls. You really got to hold on to these chains because you are up here. So I'm probably not gonna. Oh, whoa. Take it easy. I don't know. I think the last time something really went wrong was a few years ago. I don't think it's amazing the number of people and how much doesn't go wrong.
I feel like you should have to take some kind of course.
No, I know.
You should have to be experienced.
All right, we're part way up. You just can't make any dumb mistakes.
No.
You know?
Slow and easy.
Yeah.
I am not going to be doing so hot on this. This is Angel's Landing. If anyone doesn't know what
Pretty
it looks
solid,
like,
man.
it's one of the dangerous ones for sure.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Most dangerous hike we've ever done.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah. You want a shot there?
Yeah, we are.
We didn't get lucky? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Yeah, I guess, right? Yeah, 'cause my legs are already a little rubbery.
You actually have to move down.
Oh. At least there's not a lot of people. Yeah. Remember, we're going slow and easy, eh? You might go better off sideways, guys.
I know this is the most dangerous one. I feel like the way down is easier. Start down? That's what everyone said. I feel how
This last one's careful. I'm just gonna stand here until you get down because it's quite a.
Oh, so we fall, you're gonna fall too?
No, I'm gonna just you have something to grab on if you fall. There's a stretch down here.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
They should put a chain in. Yeah, they should have a chain at the end.
At the end, yeah. You good?
Yeah,
You
do I
watch your
stand here
sister
for
now. You
Mama?
watch your sister.
Is this the coolest hike you've ever done?
Yeah.
Do you think we could do half dome after this?
Honey, let me just focus, would you?
Man, the way down is
Yeah, this part's sketchy. Coming down, man. I know there's a toe hold in there somewhere. Oh, Christ.
Is that the one that I was like surprised you have chain?
Yeah. That one's sketchy.
Yeah, those are sketchy.
Yeah, that's true. But they could do it.
Oh, this is the skinny aesthetic one. Maybe?
Oh, that's easy. We hit a. All right, another crazy section here, so watch it. Oh my God. Hold on to the chain, guys. We got to go out there and cross that spine and then work our way back up. You can see the line of people over there. Oh, Lynn and Ben are somewhere over there. Be careful, man. Be careful. Get lower. You're too tall. Get low. Don't walk like a stork like that. Well, come over here and tuck in.
Oh, this one's pretty sketchy too.
Yeah. Just make sure you got hands on a couple things.
I see how the way down is 10 times.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we took out that. Okay, that's great.
Just take your time. I would too. That's a sketchy section. Watch it, that pole's really loose.
Right.
I'm joking. Oh, the old knees. Pretty cool.
This is your first time doing it?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's really cool. More than one for you, I take it.
Yeah, second time.
Yeah, it's just, I can see why people come back multiple times. I mean, it's just. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Right. Like you don't care.
Yeah, no, exactly. And now look at this.
Yeah, now you gotta really
Oh my god.
be careful.
I'm crazy up here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm hanging. I'm gonna hang. Look at him climbing down. This is what it's like climbing down Angel's Landing.
Just don't, if you go off here, you're hurting, dude.
Thanks. I think I'm aware of I'm hurting. I'm not anywhere actually.
You good or you want me to stay in here?
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah. If I roll, it's my time to go. The way down is definitely more scary, I think.
Yeah, in a way.
Just because you can.
But you've already done it.
But I wasn't looking.
I know, but you're used to the elevation. You're used to the drop. And people have been really good, I think.
Yeah, maybe it's not like all the time, but I feel like we passed up a really like
Yeah.
good spots. So like,
Yeah,
I thought it was like skinny the entire time.
so did I.
Down on either side.
Yeah, this is kind of weird.
There's just some weird spots.
Yeah,
I'll Kirk with how I do this.
maybe. Be careful here. This is where that bark was slippery and this rock slippery.
I wonder what spot Cole split off. Probably up part.
I don't know. Might have been just being dumb. Oh, that's just insane. Yeah. Which way is it? This way? I think it's this way, right? No. Yeah? Right? I don't know where it goes. I'm guessing this way. Coming down in elevation now. This is one of the narrowest parts right here. You know? This is epic. Mila coming over one of the skinniest sections. Straight down on each side. We're almost there.
It's so funny that people ask me.
I know. This is still skinny. Yeah. Both sides, you're going off the deep end. But, you know, really it hasn't been bad. Coming down's a little more sketch.
Oh, this is the skinny one that everyone.
Yeah, do you want to wait?
No, I think.
Okay. Just be careful. This is sketchy.
This is the one everyone talks about. Holy crap. All right. Okay. Someone behind you, man.
Thank you. No one wants to let go of the chain, right? Jesus, not through here, man. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so that's a crazy section. No one wanted to let go of that
Yeah,
chain.
they were hitting
Man, look
it.
at everyone's clinging to it.
If you just don't overthink it,
Right, if you don't overthink it, you're good. And that's the key.
you're gonna freak out.
You gotta believe in your...
Like up higher, you can see if we were up and down. I didn't see that mountain.
No, well, yeah,
Because it generally seems like it's so skinny.
exactly. It is, but you don't...
There's wider points, I feel like.
Yeah. I mean, this is kind of sketch.
Playing it on the way out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, it's weird. What'd she say? Oh, yeah. I mean, people are doing this late. It would be weird seeing the sunset, you know? You'd have to have a headlamp coming down. That'd be sketchy.